Guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So I went to Marshall's and picked up some beauty products. If you think TJ Maxx, Marshall's and those stores don't have the products you're looking for, then guess again. They be having some really good beauty products. I mean, top of the line. If you want to see what I picked up from Marshall's, then stay tuned and watch this video. The first thing that I picked up from Marshall is this Too Faced Life's a Festival. And this is an eyeshadow palette. And I am telling you, and it's like the unicorn, if you guys can see all the colors. I want to make sure you guys are seeing all that festivity there. This is a unicorn collection. And guys, I am loving the shades. Loving the shades. This camera is not doing it any justice. This is the Fantasy. And that's what, ooh, hot diggity. That's what Fantasy looks like. I am really loving. Now it has a lot of shimmer and couple matte finish. Now this is a really good color for transition into that purple, and guys, blends very well. Do you see how I just blend that? Wow. Wow. That was the desert vibe. Now I'm going to use the Young and Free, which is this shade, Young and Free. Yeah. I hope to God that you guys are seeing these color. Now they also have a Sunset Dream. Oh my God. That is beautiful. I love, oh yeah. Love that shade. Really nice. I cannot wait to create a look using this palette. This is really nice. I love the packaging. Again, this is from the Too Faced, and this is the Life Festival, and it's the Unicorn collection. And this pack, it feels a little spongy. Yeah, this is really nice. Now I found this at Marshall. It was $16. Normally retail at $30, so that's still a good deal. Moving on. The next thing that I found at Marshall is this Proactive Skin Smoothing Exfoliator. Now, I'm sure everybody knows about the Proactive 3 System Acne product. I've used that product for 10 years before my acne was like, listen, this ain't gonna work for me no more. So I had to find something else. But when I saw this at Marshall's and I paid $4.99, again, you guys know that I'm big on skincare because I do have acne prone skin, so I have to make sure that I keep my face exfoliating and do my facial all the time. All right, the next thing that I found at Marshall is this Afterglow highlighter. And this is from Urban Decay, and I paid $5. This is what the packaging looked like. Yeah, and I love it. This is the 8-hour powder highlight, and this is Sin. I plead the blood of Jesus against sin, but this is Sin, and it's an highlighter. And let's see what it looks like. Ooh, of course, champagne. Yeah, it's a little dusty, but it pays off. A little dusty, but pays off. Again, this is from Urban Decay Afterglow Highlight. Next thing that I found is a Shadow Switch Brush Cleaner. And that's what it looks like. I'm sure if you guys been watching me for a while, I do have something similar to this that I wear on my hands. And what it does is help you to clean your brush. Say for instance, if you did not cleanse your brush after doing a look, and you're about to create a new look, you're able to just use your eyeshadow brush and brush over this equipment or this tool here, and it removes whatever eyeshadow that is lingering in the brush. So I love to use this. And again, this is from Eddie Beauty, and this is a makeup brush cleaner. There's no liquid, it's completely dry, but guys, it really works. So I'm happy that I have this that I can just throw in my bag if I'm going somewhere and clean my brushes in the event I'm trying to be very nasty. And it's, yeah, I love that you can cover it. Yeah, that's really good. All right, so I found that at Marshall, and I paid $4.99 for that. Very good deal. The next thing that I found, guys, is Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer. I was livid when I found this, and they had a wide selection. I had to check. I was like, am I in Marshall's? Yes. And I paid $4.99 for this. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I picked up the right shade. This is the Rich Amber. Yes. Yes. Beautiful bronzer. Oh, let me get that mirror out y'all face. Beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. Ooh, and it picks up very well. Yeah, guys, I'm looking forward to using this bronzer in a look also. And I love when they include a little mirror that you can really get close and up and personal when you're doing your face. Yes. And these little compact is really good for when you're traveling. This fit in your makeup bag without any problems. Without any problems. All right, guys. So I paid, again, $4.99. You cannot beat that for a bronzer from Anastasia. Come on. Next thing, and the final thing that I found at Marshall. This was for $7. This is the Stila Liquid Eyeshadow. Now, I have never tried any liquid eyeshadow before. This is going to be my very first time, and I'm looking forward. This is the Little White Lies. Oh Lord, Sin and Lies. Father, I plead the blood. Sin and Lies, Little White Lies. This is the name of this shade here. Whoa. So when you put this on, it's like iridescent, so it gives you a little lavender, red, and a little shimmery looking. That's what it looks like. Yeah. So I'm looking forward. I've heard people talk about the Stella Liquid Eyeshadow. I've seen them use it. Hopefully I won't have a dramatic moment using it. It will dry down pretty well because, as I said again, I have never used one before, so this is going to be my very first time. So, who said I racked up very well in Marshall's? I know I did. I know I really rocked up very well in Marshall's. I'm gonna enjoy all these goodies that I picked up. Yes. And I'm excited, guys. You guys can see that I'm very excited to use all of these products. You can't beat it. Marshall's and TJ Maxx, they're coming. I mean, they're just doing the thing. And I'm very excited for girls like me on a budget. I'm really excited that there are stores that you can go into and find products that you really need in your collection, and they're there available at a good rate, good price. Can't beat it, right? Anyway, guys, that's all that I have. That's all my goodies that I picked up. If you're wondering what foundation that I'm wearing the NARS Radiant, and the shade that I have on is Calbina. Yeah, Calbina. This is a new NARS foundation in Calbina. I cannot wait to use these products. That's it. Let me stop talking before I start. That's it, guys. That's all that I have. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye, guys.